In front of me is ZTE Blade V70 Max, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner, and to add any photos, tap on the chosen ones. If you can't find them here, you can also select folders, click on a photo and then do exactly the same to add another one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!